Hello everyone, it's the Naughty Investor here coming at you with another video. So if you are like me and concerned with your personal data being used in nefarious ways, you probably have thought about getting a VPN. I personally did get a VPN from a very good VPN provider that I will list somewhere in the middle or end of the video, but I want to go over why you should be avoiding free VPNs. Now, something being free can be tempting, but you have to remember nothing is really free. Even a free app on the App Store is probably going to make money through advertising or from some other type of way. Nothing in life is truly free. In VPNs in particular, when you go with a free one, you're really taking a lot of risk with your personal data. So number one, on why you need to avoid free VPNs is many of them sell user data, okay? Very important thing. Starting from your device's information and location data all the way to personal information, emails, messages, phone numbers, and basically everything stored in your device's memories. Some VPNs have even managed to gain full control over their users' devices, which allows them full and unrestricted access, including possibilities of editing, modifying, and even deleting media from a controlled device. So selling user data, grabbing user data and doing with it nefarious things you have to avoid. And basically all free VPNs are guilty of this, okay? Another thing is marketing based on personal information. When they get your information, they can sell it to basically to other businesses that can use it for marketing purposes. Now, this is probably not the worst thing in the world. I personally don't like this. However, if you are trying to avoid this and then you just have a moral issue with a company getting, your personal information without you even really being told about it and then selling you things because of that, that is an issue with free VPNs, a very big issue you have to avoid and why you need to avoid free VPNs, okay? First one is they will directly use your data and information for marketing and advertising purposes. It means that every time you log in or look up something online that interests you, the VPN stores this information and uses it to determine which ads to sell to you and how to do it most efficiently. The second way they do this is they go out and they openly share this data with third-party companies and their partners. Now, the second one on this is definitely the worst option because it's not even your VPN doing it. It is a third party who they could be based overseas. They could be based in a completely different country that has no laws or rules when it comes to personal information. So definitely you have to be careful about that, okay? Now, third on the list is exploiting free users for the benefits of paying ones. Okay, the best examples of this is a underhanded technique in which VPNs that use free users' processing power, and then they take that and transfer it to their paying customers. So this basically is making the free users of a VPN kind of like a guinea pig, if you want to think about it like that, kind of like, or a hamster rather, just spinning the wheel. And this is powering the paid users who get really fast speeds, okay? Most free VPNs do not offer good speeds. They are typically pretty crappy, for lack of a better term. And one way they make money is instead of having to pay for power or pay for data, they will just use the power of the free users to basically fund the paid users. Very underhanded tactic that you have to be careful of, okay? Now, another interesting one is creating botnets and exit nodes, okay? Now, these are very interesting. This issue could actually get you in trouble with the law. So some VPN users might not have a problem with this type of service exchange. It can actually bring them a significant headache down the road. Being a server exit node means that all traffic that goes to the end node server is depicted like it's coming from that server's IP address. So what this means is, as the traffic that's going through all kinds of potentially illegal activities, not saying that's going to happen, but it could happen, it gets funneled through you. It's not worth the risk, and this could actually get you in legal troubles with with the law and with your local authorities. There was a real life case of this happening with people using the Ola VPN. I've never heard of that, but botnets and exit nodes, gotta be careful, guys. Do not skimp on your VPN. Now, the final thing I want to go over is tracking user activity. This, mostly revolves around cookies and things like that, which basically they will use pixels and cookies to track your activity, and they can do that for a variety of different reasons. And the main part about this final one is it kind of defeats the purpose of a VPN. If you're having all of these issues and you're using a free VPN, you might as well not even be using a VPN, because there's no point in having all of these risks when you could simply get a paid VPN. Now, if you're wondering which paid VPN to get, I have a recommendation for you right now. PureVPN is actually doing an insane deal where you get like 62% off of a 1-year plan and 88% off of a 5-year plan if you use my link in the description. I'm not sponsored by them by any means. This is just what I have found that works really well. They have really good reviews. They have all of the benefits of a paid VPN at a very affordable price. And right now, again, like I said, they're having an insane sale, 88% off of the 5-year plan and about 62% off of the 1-year plan. Link for that is available in the description. Don't skimp out on VPNs. You do not want to get a free one and get caught with your pants down with some type of crazy botnet thing getting you in legal trouble. Don't skimp on it. Link is in the description for my favorite VPN that you could use for a very affordable price. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. I'll catch you next time, and as always, have a great day. There has never been a better time to get a VPN. Right now, PureVPN is giving 62% off of their 1-year plan and 88% off of their 5-year plan if you use my link in the description. That again is 88% off of their 5-year plan and 62% off of their 1-year plan. If you're worried about hackers or intrusive government gathering your personal information, look no further than PureVPN. But you have to act now because this discount will not last. Once again, click the link in the description.